students, today's topic is reciprocals with positive integral exponents. Means how to reciprocate the given rational number with positive integral exponents. उसकी जो powers होंगी that is of positive integers and laws of exponents. Learning outcome means after watching this video you will be able to find the reciprocal of rational number with positive integral exponents, to recognize laws of exponents, to apply laws of exponents to simplify and evaluate given expression. Now come to the topic reciprocals of rational numbers with positive integral exponent. What does it mean? Means how to reciprocate the given rational number if its power is positive integer. Positive integral exponent means उसकी जो power है that is of positive integer. In previous chapter we have learnt how to reciprocate the given rational number. Reciprocal of P over Q, where P and Q are not equal to 0, is Q over P. Means to get the reciprocal of given rational number, simply interchange the integers in numerator and denominator. You can see P over Q का reciprocal क्या आ रहा है? Q over P. Just by interchanging the integers of numerator and denominator. Let's take example reciprocal of 3. 3 means 3 over 1. If there is nothing in denominator, it means there is 1. Its reciprocal is 1 by 3. Next, reciprocal of 4 over 5 is 5 by 4. Now, let's take examples in which rational numbers are with positive integral exponents. The reciprocal of P over Q whole raised to power m is Q over P whole raised to power m, where m is positive integer. Means इसमें जब इसकी power positive integer है तो उसका reciprocal क्या होगा? Simply interchanging the integers of in numerator and denominator, and power remains the same. Let's take example. Reciprocal of 3 square is 1 over 3 square. Next, reciprocal of minus 5 by 7 whole raised to power 5 is minus 7 over 5 whole raised to power 5. 7 डिनोमिनेटर में था, अब वो कहाँ आ गया? न्यूमरेटर में. जो 5 न्यूमरेटर में था, अब वो कहाँ पे है? डिनोमिनेटर में. Let's see how it works. Reciprocal of minus 5 over 7 whole raised to power 5. Reciprocal means inverse. Inverse हो तो हम कैसे लिखते हैं? 1 over that number, 1 over minus 5 by 7 whole raised to power 5. This minus 5 by 7 whole raised to power 5 can also be written as minus 5 raised to power 5 and over 7 raised to power 5. So denominator के नीचे जब denominator है वो घूम के कहाँ चला जाता है? ऊपर. So this step can be written as 7 raised to power 5 over minus 5 raised to power 5. So ultimately we have minus 7 over 5 whole raised to power 5. So in this way we get reciprocal of minus 5 over 7 whole raised to power 5 is minus 7 over 5 whole raised to power 5. बेटा एक बात नोट करने वाली है यहाँ पे कि जो न्यूमरेटर में नेगेटिव साइन है वो हमने न्यूमरेटर में ही रखा. ठीक है, चाहे हम डिनोमिनेटर में भी लिख सकते थे, but in standard way we always write it in numerator. Let's do some examples. Question 1. Find the reciprocals of each of the following. Here we have to find the reciprocals of the given rational number with positive integral exponents. The first part is the reciprocal of 12 raised to power 5. अब बेटा इसके नीचे कुछ नहीं है तो क्या है 1. तो रेसिप्रोकल में क्या होता है 1. न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर की इंटेग्रल्स इंटरचेंज हो जाते हैं. सो रेसिप्रोकल क्या होगा 1 over 12 raised to power 5. Second part, reciprocal of minus 3 by 7 whole raised to power 7. So just interchange the values in numerator and denominator. It will be minus 7 over 3 whole raised to power 7. Similarly, the reciprocal of minus 1 over 15 whole raised to power 8. It will be क्या आ जाएगा बेटा? It is minus 15 whole raised to power 8. Because here it is 1 over 15. When we reciprocate it, it will be 15 over 1. So denominator में हम 1 ज़रूरत नहीं है हमें लिखने की. It is understood. So it will be written as minus 15 whole raised to power 8. Laws of exponents. The laws of exponents are very useful in performing the operations of multiplication and division. Now come to law 1. If x is a non-zero rational number and a and b are positive integers, then x raised to power a into x raised to power b is equals to x raised to power a plus b. बेटा ये लॉ क्या शो करता है कि in the multiplication of numbers, if bases are same, what will be the resultant? The powers will be added. So it is x raised to power a plus b. ये दोनों powers क्या हो गई? Add. Let's take example. 3 raised to power 6 into 3 raised to power 3. You can see bases are same. 3 दोनों के bases हैं और power एक की क्या है 6 और दूसरे की क्या है 3. So this is equals to 3 raised to power 6 plus 3. Powers क्या हो गई? Add. So resultant is 3 raised to power 9. Let's see how it works. Our expression is 3 raised to power 6 into 3 raised to power 3. 3 raised to power 6 means 3 is being multiplied by itself 6 times. Into 3 raised to power 3 means 3 is again being multiplying by itself 3 times. So how many times you will get 3? It is 9 times. Now it is equals to 3 raised to power 9, which is equals to right hand sides. Hence you can say if bases are same in the multiplication, then powers are added. Next, law 2. If x is a non-zero rational number and a and b are positive integers, then x raised to power a divided by x raised to power b is equals to x raised to power a minus b. So बेटा अब law 2 किससे related है? If division of numbers, in case of division of numbers, bases are same, then powers are subtracted. Come to example, 3 raised to power 6 divided by 3 raised to power 3. In this case, both bases are same, that is 3. एक की पावर है 6, दूसरे की पावर है 3. तो लॉ 2 क्या कहता है कि पावर्स क्या हो जाएंगी? सब्ट्रैक्ट. दैट इज 3 raised to power 6 minus 3. This is equals to 3 raised to power 3. Let's see how it works. Our expression is 3 raised to power 6 divided by 3 raised to power 3. You can write it as 3 raised to power 6 over 3 raised to power 3. So in numerator 3 raised to power 6 means 3 is being multiplied by itself 6 times. In denominator 3 raised to power 3 means 3 is being multiplied by itself 3 times. Now you can simplify it just by cancellation. ऊपर से कैंसिल और न्यूमरेटर में और डिनोमिनेटर में दोनों ही 3 कैंसिल हो रहे हैं 3 times. So you left with only 3 times 3 which will give you 3 raised to power 3 which is equals to right hand side. So ultimately you will get 3 raised to power 6 divided by 3 raised to power 3 is equals to 3 raised to power 3. Means in case of division, if bases are same, powers are subtracted. Let's do some questions based on law 1 and law 2. Simplify and express the result in exponential form. Means मुझे पहले इस एक्सप्रेशन को सिंप्लीफाई करना है और रिजल्ट मुझे एक्सपोनेंशियल फॉर्म में ही देना है. मींस पावर फॉर्म में ही रिजल्ट मुझे एक्सप्रेस करना है. सो द फर्स्ट पार्ट इज -3/7 होल रेज्ड टू पावर 3 इनटू -3/7 whole raised to power 4. Now you have observed bases are same. In case of multiplication, if bases are same, powers will add. So it will become -3/7 raised to power 3 plus 4. Using which law? Yes, using law 1. What was that? X raised to power a into x raised to power b is equal to x raised to power a plus b. Means if bases are same, in case of multiplication, the powers will add. Power क्या थी? 3 और इसकी पावर क्या थी? 4. So ये add होके क्या बना? 3 plus 4. This is equals to -3/7 whole raised to power 7. Now second part, 1/4 whole raised to power 8 divided by 1/4 whole raised to power 6. Now you can see again bases are same, but in case of division. So if bases are same in case of division, then powers will subtract. It will become 1/4 raised to power 8 minus 6. Using which law? Yes, using law 2. What was that? X raised to power a divided by x raised to power b. This is equals to x raised to power a minus b. So it is 1/4 raised to power 8 divided by 1/4 raised to power 6. This is same in case of division. It becomes 1/4 raised to power 8 minus 6. That is 1/4 raised to power 8 minus 6 is 2. So बेटा हम इसको एक्सपोनेंशियल फॉर्म में छोड़ेंगे क्योंकि उसने बोला था एक्सप्रेस द रिजल्ट इन एक्सपोनेंशियल फॉर्म. मींस हमें पावर्स में ही रिजल्ट देना है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज सिंप्लीफाई एंड एक्सप्रेस द रिजल्ट एज अ रैशनल नंबर. सो बेटा अब इस क्वेश्चन में मुझे सिंप्लीफाई करना है बट रिजल्ट किस में एक्सप्रेस करके देना है? रैशनल नंबर में. लास्ट क्वेश्चन में क्या था कि एक्सपोनेंशियल फॉर्म में ही छोड़ना है, पावर फॉर्म में छोड़ना है. अब पावर फॉर्म में नहीं छोड़ना, अब मुझे उसको आगे भी सॉल्व करके दिखाना है. सो कम टू फर्स्ट पार्ट, -2/3 whole raised to power 2 into minus 2 by 3 whole raised to power 3. Again, you can see bases are same. In case of multiplication, if bases are same, powers will add. So it will become minus 2 by 3 with same base, powers will add. 2 plus 3 using law 1. That is x raised to power a into x raised to power b is equal to x raised to power a plus b. So this is equals to minus 2 by 3 whole raised to power 5. So it can be written as minus 2 raised to power 5 over 3 raised to power 5. 2 raised to power 5 is what? Minus 32. And 3 raised to power 5 is what? It is 243. Now come to second part. It is minus 3 by 5 whole raised to power 6 divided by minus 3 by 5 whole raised to power 3. So beta, in this case bases are same in case of division. If bases are same in case of division, the power will subtract. So this is equals to minus 3 by 5 whole raised to power 6 minus 3 using law 2. I am going to repeat law 2 again. X raised to power a divided by x raised to power b. This is equals to x raised to power a minus b. So this is equals to minus 3 by 5 whole raised to power 3. But here we have to express it as a rational number, not in exponential form. So further simplify it. 3 raised to power 3. 3 raised to power 3 means minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3 whole divided by 5 raised to power 3 means 5 into 5 into 5. So 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. So माइनस साइन की पावर जब ऑड है तो माइनस साइन आएगा कैसे? माइनस इंटू माइनस प्लस, प्लस इंटू माइनस माइनस. नीचे 5 5 are 25, 25 5s are 125. That is the required answer. Next question is evaluate. Evaluate means we have to find the value. Means to find the value of given expression. Now come to the first part. It is 2 raised to power 4 into 2 raised to power 5 whole divided by 2 raised to power 8. So firstly solve this bracket. In this bracket bases are same. In case of multiplication, if bases are same, powers will add. So it will be written as 2 raised to power 4 plus 5 whole divided by 2 raised to power 8. Using which law? Yes, using law 1. So this is equals to 2 raised to power 9 divided by 2 raised to power 8. Now again bases are same in case of division, then powers will subtract. It will be written as 2 raised to power 9 minus 8. Using which law? Using law 2. What was that? X raised to power a divided by x raised to power b. This is equals to x raised to power a minus b. So this is equals to 2 raised to power 1. Or simply we write it as 2, which is the required answer. Now evaluate second part. Second part is 4 square minus 3 square whole divided by 1 over 7 whole square. So firstly solve this bracket. 4 square is 16, 3 square is 9. 4 into 4, that is 16. 3 into 3, that is 9. Divided by 1 by 7 whole square. Hanji beta, 16 minus 9 will give you 7. Divided by, let's simplify it. 1 square can be written as 1 and this is 7 square. Just solve this expression. Division है, division को हमने last chapter में भी सीखा था. How to divide the given two fractions? Divide changes to multiply. और आगे वाले term का क्या हो जाता है? Reciprocal. 1 over 7 square का reciprocal क्या हो जाएगा? 7 square. Now apply the law. Again, bases are same. In case of multiplication, the powers will add. If there is nothing in the power, it means there is 1. So it will be considered as 7 raised to power 1. So after applying law 1, using law 1, we get 7 raised to power 1 plus 2. That is 7 raised to power 3, which is equals to 7 into 7 into 7 equals to 343, which is the required answer. I hope now you can solve the given assignment questions easily.